Reactivating your expired Walmart Family Mobile line, the essentials. Let's get your Walmart Family Mobile line back up and running. If your service has lapsed, reactivating is usually straightforward. As of September 2025, if your line expired within 30 days, you can likely use the instant reactivation feature in the Walmart app. Just add airtime or a new plan. If it's been longer, up to 90 days, you'll generally need to pay a $10 reactivation fee plus the cost of a new plan. Keep in mind that after 90 days, you might lose your number. Also, ensure your account is in good standing and your phone is compatible with T-Mobile's network. Make sure to have the correct SIM size and know that if the SIM is damaged, you'll need a replacement. Walmart Family Mobile now offers eSIM support for compatible phones, which can simplify reactivation. If you need a physical SIM, replacements cost $5 and take 3 to 5 business days to ship, though some stores offer same-day pickup. Be aware that system outages can sometimes cause delays, especially during peak times. While the Walmart app streamlines the process, international SIMs may require manual reactivation through customer support. Also, if it has been longer than 90 days, you will most likely not be able to reactivate the same number. Overall, reactivating via the app is fastest, but if problems arise, contacting customer service is your next best bet. The rise of eSIMs, which now make up 25% of Walmart Family Mobile users, is an easy alternative to reactivating a physical SIM and helps to avoid shipping costs and potential delays.